Hello everybody, I'm Parikshit More
And I'm back
and I'm back
with
with a new drawing. So, have you ever seen a zombie? No? Well, it can happen any time a zombie virus can come. Have you saw zombie movies? I saw a lot of zombie movies. At least 2 zombie movies. One, I was not scared. I saw the full. And the one, I saw half. It was too scary. So, today, we are not going to draw just a normal zombie because we made a normal zombie before also. So, today we are going to make a Among Us zombie.
And to draw an Among Us zombie, we will need a black sketch pen
And papers and something to
color. So let's start drawing.
The Among Us zombie.
Preview.
Let's start making the
Zombie Among Us. I was telling my papa, let's make a Godzilla Among Us. He told me, let's make a zombie Among Us.
The next Among Us will be a zombie. Godzilla Among Us. No problem. Okay. So easy drawings.
So difficult, right? If you practice, nothing will be.
Difficult.
No. It will be easy.
Here we draw the fingers of the zombie
You
holding a
what holding a what?
holding a stick,
What?
a bloody stick. Then we use the green color.
Should we make a little bloods?
Yeah, let us first make the blood stains, right?
How about we are Among Us zombie? I know mine was a little more scarier than my papa. You can also follow my drawing or my papa's drawing. Or the better option is you can follow my drawing because it's much scarier. It's not nice, but you can follow the drawing my papa's, but you can follow the coloring with mine. Okay? And that's that. And do like and subscribe the channel to see more drawing ideas.
And if you want to earn free gifts for your kids,
Yes.
then do tag us with your kids' drawings on Instagram at the rate
Kids Fun Club
and hashtag.
Kids Fun Club.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
And have a good holiday.